This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the home button on the Samsung Internet web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Samsung web browser opened up now. To hide or show the home button, if you look off to the upper left-hand corner, you can see I have a home button here. You can program that to take you to whatever website that you want to. I'll show you how to do that, but you can see I have mine displayed. But to display the home button or remove the home button, you want to open up settings first. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says settings, and I'm going to click on settings. Now on the settings page, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go to the tab that says Startup, click on Startup. And then on the center pane, right here you have Home Button. It says Show Home Button in Toolbar. If you go down to the right hand side, there's a toggle. If this is toggled on like you see mine is, then your home button is being displayed. If you toggle that off, then your home button will disappear. But if you toggle this on, Show Home Button, now my home button's being displayed, and down underneath that, you can either toggle on, do you want the home button to take you to the new tab page or to a custom page? Say that I wanted to make a custom page, I'm going to toggle on custom page, and a little dialog box will pop open asking me what web address do I want to use for my home page. Say that I'm going to use Google. I'll type in google.com. I'm going to go down and click on Save. Now, as you can see, my custom page is google.com. Now, if I go up to my home button and I click on my home button, it will take me to Google. I'm going to click on it. Takes me to google.com. That is how to hide or show your home button on the Samsung Internet web browser. Thanks for watching.